Peacock colors are not created by paint but by pure physics. You will learn how structural coloration makes this feather look so vibrant. We will compare pigment color to structural color and study the tiny feather parts that cause it. Most colors, like those in paint or dyes, come from pigments that absorb some light waves. Structural coloration is different. It creates color by physically manipulating how light scatters and reflects. This manipulation happens in the tiny feather strands called barbules. Inside the barbules are highly organized structures arranged at the nanoscale, which is incredibly small. These structures are precisely layered melanin rods spaced within a surrounding keratin matrix. This perfect layering allows light waves to scatter and reflect in very specific ways. First, this structure causes thin film interference, like the changing colors seen on an oil slick. Light reflects off the top surface and the bottom surface of these layers, coming back out of sync. Next, the primary color mechanism is called Bragg diffraction. Bragg diffraction occurs when light waves bounce off multiple internal layers repeatedly. When the reflected waves align perfectly, they constructively interfere, reinforcing that specific color. This strong constructive interference makes the color appear intensely brilliant. Because the feather relies on the angle of light reflection, the color appears to change as the peacock moves. This phenomenon of changing color with angle is what we call iridescence. For a worked example, if the spacing between the melanin rods were slightly narrower, the feather would reflect a shorter wavelength. A shorter wavelength would shift the reflected color from blue toward violet. Now, think about the similarity. How does rotating a compact disc cause its rainbow hues to shift? Structural coloration uses precisely arranged internal structures to create color through Bragg diffraction and interference. We saw how pigment is different and how these tiny keratin layers work like a natural crystal. The peacock's beauty shows that simple physics can make the most stunning and dynamic colors in nature. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.